Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of What and How channel. Today we are looking on installation of Eclipse IDE in Linux. I am using Linux Mint Edition for the installation purpose. So without any delay, let's jump into installation steps. First of all, open the web browser and search for Eclipse download in your preferred search engine. Go to Eclipse Downloads in eclipse.org link. Click on the download button under Eclipse IDE for your system. Now click on the download button. Wait for the download to complete. Now open the File Explorer and go to Downloads folder. Right-click on the downloaded Eclipse package and click on Extract here. Go to the extracted Eclipse installer folder. Double-click on the Eclipse-inst file. Eclipse Install Wizard will open. Choose the environment you wish to install. A list of options will be displayed. Here I am choosing Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Select the JDK installed in your system and click Install button. Accept the user agreement. Wait for the installation to complete. Eclipse installation is completed successfully. Click the Launch button to open the Eclipse IDE. Click Launch. New Java project can be created by clicking this link. Now to open the Eclipse IDE, double-click on the Eclipse desktop icon or go to Menu. Then search for Eclipse and click on the Eclipse IDE. Then click Launch.